What coffee will I have this morning? So, just powering up my coffee machine, the De'Longhi Rivelia. I've set the grinding to 3.5. It's just heating up. I think I will have a Americano. Okay, now it's flushing the system out, I guess. I've still not made a milk drink with it yet. A milk-based coffee. It's still heating up. Okay, so what shall I have? Cafe latte, espresso, no, cappuccino, flat white, Americano, long coffee, latte coffee, and then you got some more coffees here. It's all the different coffees. I think I will have an Americano, and I've got it set to large, intensity 3. I think that's enough. I put the cup there, haven't I? Now I've got it on large. Yesterday I had it set to medium, and it obviously wasn't enough, filling the cup up enough. But there is an option for extra large as well. So let's see if this large is going to be enough. Brewing coffee. Ah, smells good. Smelling good. Brewing coffee. Pouring water. In the water. Be interesting to see how if large is enough. Is it gonna make the video? And yeah, not quite enough.